Alright guys, we're going to do a quick unboxing here of the SHIMANO Curado DC. This is the 150XG, this is the right hand retrieve, and these are those cool Shimano reels that you see making that cool zipping noise when you're casting. These have a digital chip inside. It helps you for casting, for line management, and a lot of other cool stuff. So we're going to go ahead and give this a try. We're going to go ahead and unbox it and then take it out to the water and show you guys how it works. So here we go with the unboxing. All right, so first off, as you can see, you got a lot of paperwork and stuff, which gives you the reel breakdown and a lot of other stuff here. Go ahead and set those aside. Getting right into the box, you can see you got the reel. Nice bubble wrap. Put this to the side. And here we have it, guys, the SHIMANO Curado DC. All right, before we take a look at that, let's see what else comes in the box. Looks like they give us some oil. Make sure we lube it up and take care of it. Put that aside. Get the box, put the box aside. And here we go. All right, look at that. Nice, clean, sleek. I love how simple and sleek the design is. I like the color too. Curado DC logo here on the side. Look at that. Super clean, super awesome. Super smooth right out of the box. Pretty small. You can see the palm of my hand here. Weighs close to nothing, pretty nice. It's got the brakes here on the side, regular spool, tension knob right here, your drag right here. There we go. Here you have it, guys, the SHIMANO Curado DC. So we're gonna go ahead and put some line on this, take it out to the lake, and see how it performs. Get you guys on the water. Let's go. All right, guys, let's go ahead and try out the SHIMANO DC for the first time. I went ahead and adjusted the tension knob on the side. Make sure that lure is just dropping slowly. Might have to tighten that a little bit. There we go. Perfect. I got it on level 2 brakes, and let's go ahead and give it a shot. Let's see. Woo, awesome. Smooth like butter. Love that little noise. It's pretty cool. All right. Now the truth is, does it backlash? So let's go ahead and give it a cast without even putting the thumb. So let's see. Dude, that's crazy. No backlash at all. No backlash. Pretty cool. All right, let's do that one more time. All right, let's see. No thumb, no backlash. It's pretty awesome. That's the cool thing about this this reel, is it eliminates a lot of backlashes. You know, you don't have to be a pro. Look at that. That's where that digital chip comes into play. Pretty cool. All right, all we need now is a big old bass. There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, came off. Good bass. Oh man, I drag a little too loose. Oh, fish on. Come on, come on. Fish on. There we go. All right, first fish on a DC. Let's go. Largemouth bass. Get it. All right, there we go. All right, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of the unboxing and the first cast of the SHIMANO DC reel. You guys are going to be seeing this reel in a lot of upcoming videos. I definitely would want to do a review after I use it a couple times to see if it's worth the $270 price tag it has. So far, love the style, love the looks. Weighs close to nothing, so it's really nice. So stay tuned for upcoming videos. Definitely going to be using it up a lot more, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a thumbs up, drop in the comments below if you guys have used one of these. What is your experience? If you like it, if you don't like it, what's good, what's bad, let me know. All right guys, till the next one, let's go.